Suno AI just released their V5 model, and it is a total game changer. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tunecraft. As you already know, Suno is an AI that can make entire songs just from a text prompt. But this V5 isn't just a small update, it feels like a revolution. We're at the point now where AI songs don't have that AI sound anymore. A lot of people are saying Suno has basically solved AI music. And honestly, after trying this, I feel they might be right. We don't have to guess what's new, because Suno released an official video with their CTO, Georg Kuchko, who explained everything. So today, we're going to cover what he said, and then we're going to test it ourselves with some new examples to see if it's as good as they claim. First, a quick fun fact they shared. The name Suno is pronounced Suno, and it comes from Punjabi and Hindi. It means to listen. A perfect name for an AI music tool, right? Alright, let's get right into it. What's the big deal with version 5? The jump from the old V4.5 is huge. Before, you could often hear the AI sound, things like digital noise, robotic sounding vocals, or a bad mix. With V5, that's pretty much gone. The vocals sound human, the music has so much clarity, and the songs actually make sense. The CTO of Suno said, V5 is a big step forward in our core technology. He explained that everything should be better, and pointed out three main things. Musical structure. Songs now have a better flow, with real intros, verses, and choruses that fit together properly. Fidelity. This just means the sound quality is way better. The music is cleaner, richer, and sounds more professional, without the weird digital sounds from before. Composition. The AI is smarter about the music itself. It can create better melodies and more interesting chord progressions. Okay, so that's what the team at Suno says. It all sounds great, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's put it to the test. Here we are in Suno. In the model drop-down menu, you can see the new V5 Pro Beta. It's cool that you can still use all the old models, which is great for doing a direct comparison. First, I want to see how smart V5 is by giving it a prompt that mixes two different styles. Okay, it's finished. Let's hear it.
In the airwaves rolling near, golden rays dance, feel the heat so clear. My toes in the sand like they belong here. Cool breeze whispers slow. Time moves where it wants to go. Sunshine on my skin, oh let it begin.
That is awesome. It perfectly shows what the CTO was talking about. The upbeat reggae guitars and steel drums instantly give it that tropical beachside feel, and the groove is smooth and natural. But the best part is the vocals. It actually sounds warm and soulful, cutting through the mix with clarity and reggae personality. Next up, a head-to-head battle. We'll use a very simple prompt to hear the difference between V4.5 and V5. First, let's try the older V4.5 Pro model.
Windows down, feel the wind collide. Maps tossed out, we're here for the ride. The rope bent sharp like a crooked smile. No plan, no time, just mile by mile. Laughing louder than the engine hum. Every curve's a story yet to come. We're rolling free, no end in sight. Chasing the day, stealing the night. Hearts like wheels turning wild and wide. We're rolling free, we're alive.
That honestly sounds pretty great. It has captured the right vibe and adhered well to the prompt. Joyful guitars, hand claps, group vocals, all there to make a good AI song. Now let's give the same prompt to the new V5 Pro Beta. You can see the interface even highlights the new model now, which is a nice touch.
Windows down, the air is sweet, the rhythm of wheels beneath our feet. Maps crumpled up, we don't need a plan. Laughing loud till our voices crack, sunburned noses in a dusty backpack. Every mile feels like a dream we can hold in our hand. The sky is so wide it swallows time. Freedom tastes like lemon and lime. Miles to go but we don't care, sing it loud, let the world stare. We got love and we've got air. Miles to go but we're already there.
Wow, okay, that's a huge difference. The V5 version just feels more alive, but in an authentic sense. Don't misunderstand, the V4.5 Plus was really great too, but this version feels more humanistic, familiar, and down to earth. There are little background sounds like vinyl crackle that make it feel more authentic. It's not just a beat, it's a whole mood. That authenticity they promised is definitely real. Let's do one more. This time, something fun and creative to see how it handles a story. Let's start with the V4.5 Plus model.
Out on the range where the sky stretched wide, my horse is my only guide. The tumbleweeds roll, the coyotes sang, but I can't check a single thing. No bars, no dots, no glowing screen, just me and the stars, where I've always been.
That's hilarious, and it works really well. Holds the country vibe and feels like lonely cowboy morning without Wi-Fi. A great result from V4.5 for a fun song. But can V5 do better? Now for V5.
Out on the range where the sky runs wide, my horse and I, we ride side by side. But my phone just died, no bars to be seen. This cowboy's lost in a Wi-Fi free dream. No signal here, no tweets, no streams, just the sound of the wind and the coyote screams. The world's gone quiet, it's just me and the stars. Lost my connection, but found where we are.
That is on another level. The music composition is great. I feel like it has a bit less humor, but the real difference is the vocals. It feels like a real country singer telling the story, not just an AI voice. The V4.5 version was fun, but the V5 version brings it to life in a way that feels like an authentic performance. This is the next level. And hey, I think the lyrics are better as well. I could saddle my horse and ride into town, but the bars there close when the sun goes down. Love the double meaning, smart. So, that's the full breakdown. Thanks so much for watching. I strongly encourage you to try V5 for yourself and hear the difference. Let me know what you think and what you create down in the comments. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to AI Tunecraft if you haven't already. It will be worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.